Hello YouTube, my name is Peter Kingston. On the last video I done, it was signing up for an account in WeShare Abundance. Okay, so basically we signed up for an account, we received an email to activate the account. We clicked on that, which brought us back to the dashboard, and back on the dashboard now we have this pop-up. This is I haven't watched the video, but you're welcome to watch the video, but it is basically asking you to sign up for an account with Waves Exchange. So what we need to do is we're going to do that, but we need your WeShare Abundance wallet address. So this we'll get from the Waves Exchange. Okay, so let's look for the Waves Exchange, which is here. I'll leave the link. This is not affiliated, so there's no affiliate commission for joining the Waves Exchange. Okay. So then what you need to do is, from this page, is sign up. And you can either sign up with a software, which will give you a seed phrase, which you have to write down and keep somewhere safe, or you can sign up via email. Okay, so when you sign up, it'll bring you onto this page here. Okay, it all looks a bit messy. So this is an account I created a while back. There's, as you can see, there's no money or coins or anything in here. This is just basically showing you how to get your Waves wallet address. Okay, so let's just click off these. Why it's on there, I have no idea. Okay, so just click off that. Okay, so now we need to let me see. Okay, so from this dashboard here, if you go down to Waves and click on deposit, you don't need to make any deposit, but this is just so you can get your Waves wallet address. Okay, so select deposit method. Okay, Waves. Okay, send Waves to. Now this is your wallet address that needs to be copied and put in WeShare Abundance. So we'll just copy this. Okay, so now we've copied the address. Let me just go back to the dashboard, because I clicked off where we want to go. Here we go. So paste. Okay, and then update. There we go. WeShare Abundance wallet address updated. Okay, so that's your WeShare Abundance, your address from your Waves Exchange, copied and pasted where we need it. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm Peter Kingston.